Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine out of grape juice. First, ensure all your winemaking equipment is completely sanitized to avoid any unwanted bacteria. Next, gather your essential ingredients: 1 gallon of 100% grape juice, a packet of wine yeast, and some yeast nutrient. It is crucial that your grape juice contains no preservatives such as potassium sorbate or sodium benzoate, as these will inhibit fermentation. Now, carefully pour your chosen grape juice into your sanitized primary fermenter. Add the recommended amount of yeast nutrient to support healthy yeast activity. Next, rehydrate your wine yeast according to package directions, then gently pitch it into the juice. Securely seal the fermenter with an airlock, which permits carbon dioxide to escape while preventing oxygen from entering. Keep the fermenter at a consistent temperature, ideally around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal fermentation. After about 2 weeks, when primary fermentation has slowed significantly, it is time to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized secondary fermenter, leaving the sediment behind. Add 1 Campden tablet per gallon to help prevent oxidation and inhibit any unwanted bacterial growth. Then, reseal the fermenter with an airlock and allow the wine to clarify for several more weeks, letting any remaining sediment settle out. Once your wine is perfectly clear, it is ready for bottling. Carefully siphon the wine into sanitized bottles, ensuring you leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Securely cork or cap each bottle to prevent any air exposure, which can spoil your wine. Store your bottled wine in a cool, dark place to age for at least 3 to 6 months for the best flavor development. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.